Buying your first car is one of the most exciting moments in any young American's life. There is nothing quite like the feeling of holding your own set of keys, sitting behind the wheel of your very own vehicle, and knowing that the open road is yours to explore. But as thrilling as that moment is, the process of choosing the right first car can feel overwhelming. There are hundreds of options on the market, dealerships pulling you in every direction, and a budget that needs to stretch as far as possible. The good news is that several outstanding vehicles have proven themselves perfect for first-time buyers, cars that are affordable, reliable, safe, and easy to drive. If you are stepping into the car market for the very first time, this guide will walk you through the best first cars for beginners in the USA and help you make the smartest decision of your life. The Toyota Corolla is the single most recommended first car in America, and it has held that title for decades. There is a reason this compact sedan has been one of the best-selling vehicles in the world year after year. It simply delivers everything a first-time buyer needs without any of the headaches. The Corolla is affordable, with new models starting at a price that fits comfortably into most beginner budgets, and used versions available at even more attractive prices. Its fuel economy is excellent, often delivering over 30 miles per gallon on the highway, which means your gas costs stay low as you build your driving experience. The engine is smooth and predictable, which is exactly what a new driver needs. There are no surprises, no sudden power surges, and no complicated systems to worry about. The Corolla also consistently earns top safety ratings from the National Highway Safety Administration, giving you and your family peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Maintenance costs are among the lowest of any car in its class, and Toyota dealers are found in every corner of the country. If you want one car that checks every single box for a beginner, the Corolla is it. The Honda Civic is the second name that every car expert, every mechanic, and every experienced driver will mention when you ask about the best first car. The Civic has earned its legendary reputation through decades of reliable performance, strong resale value, and a driving experience that feels engaging without being intimidating. For a young driver who wants something that feels a little more spirited and modern than the Corolla, the Civic is the perfect answer. It comes in multiple body styles, including a sedan and a hatchback, giving beginners flexibility based on their lifestyle. The hatchback version in particular is beloved by college students and young professionals because of its cargo space and practicality. Honda's safety technology suite, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, comes standard on every new Civic. Features that actively protect new drivers while they are still developing their skills on the road. Like the Corolla, the Civic holds its value exceptionally well, meaning that when the time comes to upgrade, you will get a strong return on your investment. The Mazda 3 has emerged in recent years as one of the most compelling options for first-time buyers who want maximum value for their money. Hyundai has transformed itself from a budget brand into a genuine quality manufacturer, and the Elantra is the clearest proof of that transformation. The Elantra offers a stylish and modern design that looks more expensive than it actually is, a well-built interior with quality materials, and a long list of technology features that were once reserved for luxury vehicles. Its warranty package is one of the best in the entire industry, 5 years or 60,000 miles for the basic coverage and 10 years or 100,000 miles for the powertrain, which provides extraordinary protection for a first-time buyer who may not yet have the savings to handle unexpected repair bills. For beginners who are watching every dollar carefully, the Elantra delivers an impressive package at a price that makes real sense. The Mazda 3 deserves special recognition as the best first car for beginners who want a premium feel without a premium price tag. Mazda has built a reputation for crafting vehicles that feel more refined and more engaging to drive than anything else in their price range. The Mazda 3's interior feels like stepping into a car that costs $10,000 more than it actually does. The materials are high quality, the layout is intuitive, and the driving dynamics are genuinely enjoyable. For a new driver who wants to feel confident and comfortable behind the wheel, the Mazda 3 delivers a sense of control and precision that builds driving skills naturally. Mazda's safety ratings are consistently excellent, and its reliability record is outstanding. If your first car purchase has a slightly flexible budget, the Mazda 3 is absolutely worth considering. The Subaru Impreza rounds out this list as the top choice for beginners in parts of the country where weather creates driving challenges. Unlike the other vehicles on this list, the Impreza comes standard with Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which provides superior traction on wet roads, icy surfaces, and snowy conditions. For first-time drivers in states like Colorado, Michigan, Minnesota, or anywhere in New England, having all-wheel drive from day one makes the early months of driving significantly safer and more manageable. The Impreza is also spacious, practical, and available at a competitive price point that fits within most beginner budgets. Regardless of which vehicle you ultimately choose from this list, there are several universal truths that every first-time car buyer must remember. Always get a pre-purchase inspection from a trusted mechanic before committing to a used vehicle. Never skip car insurance. It protects you financially in ways that nothing else can. Budget not just for the purchase price, but for insurance, fuel, maintenance, and registration fees. And most importantly, buy within your means. Your first car doesn't need to be perfect. It needs to be reliable, safe, and affordable. The vehicles on this list deliver all three of those qualities in abundance. Start smart, drive safe, and enjoy every mile of this exciting new chapter in your life.